In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your Google site. Now, while Google Sites doesn't directly support video backgrounds, there's a simple workaround using a GIF that achieves the same effect. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, we need to convert your video into a GIF because Google Sites allows the use of animated images as backgrounds but not videos. Start by searching for a video to GIF converter online. A recommended tool is freeconvert.com, which provides a straightforward and free service. Once you've located the site, click on Video to GIF to proceed. Now the next step is to upload your video file. On the Free Convert page, you'll see an option labeled From Device. Click this button to browse through your files and select the video you want to transform. Keep in mind, shorter videos generally make better GIFs because they load faster and maintain quality. After selecting your video, you may want to trim it to focus on a particular segment. You'll find options to trim start and trim end on the platform. These features allow you to fine-tune exactly which part of the video you want as your GIF. Adjust the start and end points according to your preference for the best results. Once you're satisfied with the trimming, it's time to convert the video into a GIF. Click on the button marked Convert to GIF and let FreeConvert do the work. This process might take a few minutes depending on the length and resolution of your video, so be patient. Once the conversion process is complete, you'll see a download button. Hit that and the GIF will be saved to your device. You're now ready to incorporate it into your Google site. Head over to your Google site where you want to place the video background. Google Sites has a feature where you can insert images, which is what we'll use for the GIF. Click on the image option on your site builder interface. To upload the converted GIF, choose the upload button that appears. Navigate through your files and select the GIF you've just created. This will set the image as part of your background. One tip here is to ensure your GIF is visually compatible with your site elements and doesn't overpower your content. While GIFs bring liveliness, balance is key for maintaining readability and site performance. And there you have it, a step-by-step process on transforming a video into a dynamic background on your Google site. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also offers a unique interactive experience for your visitors. Remember, simple tools and a bit of creativity are all you need to accomplish this task. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you take your website designs to the next level. See you in the next video.